Hi, I'm Amit, and this is Prakash. We are co-founders of Trusted Key Systems, and we are focused on secure digital identity. There are three key scenarios that we care about. The first is that banks are spending on an average of $300 per user on KYC to comply with KYC requirements. At the same time, their millennial customers don't want to spend an hour sitting in a branch filling out paperwork. They'd rather do all of this stuff on their mobile phone. Second, once you've acquired these customers, how do you keep them secure? We know that there's over 3 billion, that's with a B, leaked passwords on the dark web. Clearly, password-based security does not work. And then number three, identity theft is rampant. Card-not-present fraud is the fastest growing category of identity theft. How do you keep yourself and your customers secure? Trusted Key Solutions combines the power of blockchain, smartphone technology, as well as really robust cryptography to provide a really unique solution. Let's see how.
Great. This is the Trusted Key app, your secure digital identity wallet. The first thing you notice is, even though my phone is unlocked, the Trusted Key app is always protected by Touch ID. The Trusted Key app secures access to the user's cryptographic credentials, which we create in a way that they can never be extracted out of this phone. The second thing I want you to notice is that we have the user register an email address, which will serve as their universal username. They can use it to log into any Trusted Key-enabled app or website. Now, in this demo, we're going to open a bank account, for which we need a government-issued ID. Trusted Key supports verification of driver's licenses, and soon passports from over 190 different countries. So let me show you this with my own ID. This is actually going to be a failure case, since I didn't feel like sharing all my PII with 2,000 of my best friends. But you can see the process. We take a picture of the front and the back. We process these images through dozens of checks to make sure the document is genuine and not tampered with, which is why this is going to fail. I'm going to back out of here. We also have the user take a selfie and match that selfie to the image on the document. If everything matches, we issue a digital equivalent of that driver's license with all the same information, my name, address, date of birth, and so on.
So what you can see is all the information from the driver's license has been imported as cryptographic identity tokens stored on the phone and registered on the blockchain. But what's really important to note is none of this information is stored on a backend or on the blockchain. It is only under the control of the user directly. This allows us to be compliant with GDPR requirements as well as PII requirements from various governments.
So now let's see how we can use Trusted Key to open a bank account. Here's a demo credit union site. User comes, clicks on Open a New Account, and chooses to verify their ID using Trusted Key. All they have to do is type in the email address that they had previously registered with Trusted Key. And because we know them, we will send them a secure notification, which they open their app. There we go. We see a secure notification, and all I have to do is unlock my Trusted Key app, review where the request is coming from, and hit confirm. We package up all the information, send it back to the requester, and help them verify on the blockchain that all of that information is correct. So there you have it. In a matter of seconds, I've managed to provide all the KYC information required to open a bank account. Now, the same technology can be used to log into this account from any app or browser. Here I have an iOS app for the same credit union. And to log in, again, all I have to do is type in that email address, click Login. I will receive a secure notification, unlock the app, review where the request is coming from, hit confirm, and I'm logged in. No passwords, no replay attacks, no dictionary attacks. All of that is gone. You're logged in with the same account information that we just saw.
Great. So you see how we've allowed you to easily and in a very, very quick way onboard your customers for KYC requirements and also security login without passwords. Now let's see how Trusted Key can help you fight credit card fraud.
Great. So let's imagine this credit union would like to offer its users a card protection service. The user can scan any card that they own as long as it has their name on it. And as soon as the card registration is done, the credit union can turn around and offer merchants worldwide a transaction protection service against this card. So here I have a merchant. Let's say a user comes, makes a purchase, and types in exactly the card information that we just entered. Now, usually this merchant has one of two choices. They can either choose to accept the transaction and take the risk that it's fraud, or if they suspect fraud, they can deny the transaction and take the risk that they just turned away a good customer. With Trusted Key, they have a third choice. Because this card was registered with Trusted Key, the merchant can choose to send a request for confirmation from the registered owner of the card. The registered owner gets a notification, opens their Trusted Key app, can review where the request is coming from, hit confirm, and we send back a cryptographically signed approval notice back to the merchant that they can hang on to and then accept the transaction. Of course, if the user denied or ignored the request, the merchant could decline the transaction.
That's great. So you saw how quickly you can use Trusted Key to satisfy KYC requirements quickly and easily, log in securely without passwords, and finally fight credit card fraud. We're Trusted Key. We're focused on secure digital identity. All this functionality can be built directly into your own app using our SDK. Please visit us at our booth. You can learn more about our product and our developer platform. And most importantly, please don't forget to vote. We were at Findever a couple of months ago, and we won Audience Choice Award. We'd love to repeat here. Thank you.
Thank you.